Starting from today, for the entire month of July, I decided to find a viral short niche and upload videos daily and see how much success I can achieve if I do this consistently. My target is to get at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within the first 30 days, so that I can apply to the YouTube partnership program and get monetized. I'm going to show you the whole process from scratch without gatekeeping any valuable information and secrets. And I'm showing all of this knowledge for 100% free. There is no catch here. The first challenge I'm facing is time. I don't have a lot of time to spend on this new channel because I have to take care of this channel and my other channels as well. So I decided to spend only 30 minutes a day on this channel. Therefore, I needed to find a simple niche, which doesn't take a lot of time to make videos. After doing some research, I found a niche, and here's my strategy. This channel, called Broken Stories, has around 120 videos with more than 1 million views. And this is another channel under the same niche, which has millions of views. And this is another channel, their most viral video has 40 million views. After studying these niches, I came to a conclusion. This niche has a huge audience all around the world, and creating these videos is super easy. And we can make money with this niche in the long run. Even though short videos can easily go viral, YouTube pays a very small amount for short videos. Then, I found this channel, which is under the same niche, but they are making long videos. And these long videos are getting a decent number of views. Here's my strategy. For the first 30 days, I'm going to upload only shorts. And my target is to get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. After that, I'm going to upload long videos, and my goal here is to increase my income. So for the first 30 days, I'm going to only focus on short videos. Okay, I created my channel, and I'm not going to reveal its name because I know once I reveal it, a lot of you guys will check it, and that will mess up the YouTube algorithm and my target audience. So, which brings us to the most important part, which is not to get shadow banned. So basically what shadow banning is, the YouTube algorithm thinks that your channel is a bot or spamming views. When that happens, the algorithm stops recommending your videos to new audiences. Doesn't matter how good your videos are, you will be stuck around 10 to 20 views. So how to avoid this? You need to follow some important steps for this. The first step is to warm up your channel. If your Gmail account is new and you create a channel under that new account, your channel is most likely to get shadow banned because it's estimated that millions of channels are created per year. Most of these channels are bots. Therefore, if the YouTube algorithm considers your channel as a bot, it's done for you. That's why you must warm up your channel for at least 14 days, which means use that Google account to watch videos, like, comment, and subscribe. The next important thing is you have to optimize your channel. Let me show you how to do that. First, you need to include as much as keywords related to your niche in the description of your channel. To find such keywords, you can use this website, the name of which is Rapid Tags. You can search the main keywords related to your niche, and this tool will generate all the necessary keywords. Now we have several keywords. Then you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a description for your YouTube channel, including several keywords from this list. This is the prompt I used. Then you can use this description as your channel description. Then you need to add channel tags, use the same keywords list that we generated. Go to YouTube Studio and select this settings option and go to the channel tab. Here, you need to select your country. Don't add fake information to this, add the correct information. Now you need to copy all the tags to this. Then you need to select this feature eligibility option, and under that option, select the intermediate features. Here you need to verify your phone number. Just add your phone number and they will send you a verification code. With that, the channel optimization is done. The third important thing is don't share your channel everywhere. I've seen there are some people share their channels on Facebook groups and ask people to subscribe. Sometimes in the comment section they ask others to subscribe. Don't do that. You can't cheat the YouTube algorithm. So if you follow these 3 steps, your channel will not get shadow banned. Now it's time to make those short videos. I'm planning to post 2 times a day, which means I need 2 videos, and I only allocated 30 minutes for this channel. Therefore, I'm going to get some help from AI. First, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and generate 60 video ideas. For that, this is the prompt I'm going to use. Let's generate these topics. As you can see here, we have all the video topics we need. Now, we need to make video scripts for each of these topics. When it comes to this niche, the script is the most important thing. It should be able to stick with the viewer till the end. We can add plot twists, shocking secrets, and things that can hook the viewer. That's why I specifically created this unique prompt for that. All you need to do is insert the topic and generate the script. This is going to be my first video, so let's generate the video script. This script is actually good, but it's too long for a short video. What I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT to provide this script with 2 paragraphs. Now I'm going to make 2 videos with this, part 1 and part 2 of the same story. By doing this, we can actually grow fast, because when a viewer watches the part 1, they will also look for part 2, so they have to go to your channel and check the part. This will get you multiple views from a single viewer. Okay, now I'm going to use this AI tool called Korpi AI to make videos for this niche. They have this plan, which is $24 a month, and it gives you 60 videos, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I get that plan, and let's make our first video. They also provide templates for other viral niches like fake tech stories, Twitter stories, quizzes, and more. Now for this part, I'm going to use this Reddit story template. First, I'm going to upload an image as the profile picture, and then let's add the topic of our video here. Now I'm just going to paste the first part of the video script to this. Now let's go to the next page. Now here you have to select a background video clip. Normally it's either gaming or cooking videos, but I'm targeting to monetize this channel. Therefore, I'm going to upload my own video clip to this instead of using these free clips. After that, let's go to the next page. First, I'm going to select a background music from this song list, and let's check these AI voices and select a voice. According to your story, you can either select a male or a female voice. Once it's done, you can generate the video. It will take only several seconds, and then you can download the video. When you are making the second part of the video, you have to include part 2 in the starting point of the script. And that's all. It only took me like 10 minutes, and I already made 4 video clips for 2 video topics.
My mom took my inheritance and gave it to my brother. The day I buried my father was the same day I lost my mother, not to death but to betrayal. My dad left me everything. The house, the land, the savings. I was the one who stayed by his side while my brother Jason disappeared for years, only to return with fake tears and a rented suit. At the lawyer's office, my mother sat quietly as the will was read. I was the sole inheritor. But just days later, I came home to find Jason standing on the porch, claiming the house was his. My mother backed him up, saying, "You have no idea how much your father owed him." That's when the truth started to unravel. Years ago, Jason had blackmailed our mother after discovering her long-time affair. In exchange for his silence, she funneled support his way for years, and now with Dad gone, she was repaying him with my inheritance.
Okay, that was perfect. With this AI tool, we can easily create videos for any of these niches. You can get access to this AI tool using the link in the description. Now I'm going to upload these videos and schedule them to go live 2 times a day. And make sure to find the best time to upload according to your region. And when you are uploading, don't spam keywords, just use the topic that we generate as the title, and make sure to add hashtags like this. Then make sure to add these same hashtags in description, and you can add simple description like this. And for the tags, you can use the Rapid Tags website like we did before. And that's it, guys. I'm going to do this for the next 30 days, and I will show you my result. And then I will start to upload long videos for this channel. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.